paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make 3D vegetables today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require an A4 size paper or an origami paper of different colors. After that, we will also require white sheets of paper which we can cut it in fancy shapes. Let's fold this paper 3 times just like how we are doing it here. After that, why don't we start making our first vegetable? It is a carrot. Yes, for this we have to make a curve which goes from thick to thin. Now, why don't we fold 4 such papers like this? For the first one, we have carrot, then we have a tomato, then we have green capsicum, and finally, then we have a lemon. Now, why don't we start cutting this? Great! The cutouts are ready. Now, we see the first one which has 4 different cutouts. That's right. Now, why don't we start gluing one part of it? Yes, we will only put glue on one side and then stick it with the other side cutout. Now, let's do the same thing once again. Let's put glue on one side and then stick the other cutout. And finally, let's do the same with the last cutout. Once we are done with this, why don't we keep it aside? Similarly, let's do the same thing with the tomato cutout as well. We need to join from side to side. We do not have to stick the last part. Why don't we do the same thing with our capsicum as well as the lemon? Great! Now, let's write all the words first. For this, we will use our pencil first and then write the words. And after that, we are going to use our sketch pen and complete tracing on top of this. It is so simple. Just trace it on top of the pencil lines. Now, why don't we erase this with the eraser? Yes, we make the 2 sleeping lines so that all our letters are of the same size. Now, let's erase all of them. Great! Now it's time to stick this. Let's take our vegetables and stick it from the opening which we have right here. Yes, these are the 2 parts of 2 different sheets which we have not stuck with each other. Our carrot looks so tempting, isn't it? Now, why don't we make the top part of the carrot? Yes, let's make zigzag lines and complete the entire top of the carrot. Now finally, let's start coloring it. This looks great. Now similarly, why don't we start sticking all the 4 vegetables? That looks lovely. Now let's make the top of our tomato. And then color it. Yes, let's use a darker green for this. Now, for the lemon, we are just going to make a curved line with the help of our sketch pen. Something like this. And finally, let's make a fat line for our capsicum. This looks marvelous. Now we have 4 vegetables in front of us. For the next video, we are going to make fruits. Yes, juicy and colorful fruits. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Paper planes!